Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use banner maker, photo and text that you can download from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here search in banner maker, photo and text, and here it is, banner maker, photo and text. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app: design banners in 2 minutes, inline rectangle ads, skyscraper billboards, grand open, leaderboard ads, and also creative banners ads template. So Instagram ads, Facebook ads, edit template. You can also customize the predefined template by editing the text and the logos. Easy to use, no design experience required. Customize your ads, boost your campaign, marketing made easy, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that you can create thumbnail and banner, promotional posters, leaderboard, flyer, advertisement, offer announcements, cover photos on the go with amazing backgrounds, textures, effects, fonts, stickers, and get the attention you want. Banner Maker Photo and Text is an easy-to-use app. Just select the background you like in the ratio as per you need and add your text with posters, designs, fonts. Add wonderful stickers, specially picked for poster making. Add your pictures from gallery and create perfect poster every time. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, here it is. It's now loading. Okay, so this is the interface, and as you can see, banner maker. So you have the option to create banner right away, template. You can use the template, my design, and my banner. So let's go ahead and choose the template. Allow. So for the template, these are the predefined template that you can use right away. So all you need to do is edit the text. So put your company logo or company name, and then you can use the other parts of it. So it's up to you if you want to use this free design, the predefined templates. It's actually amazing. And this one here is the LNS banner. So you can scroll down, look for the best that you want to use. FB mobile banner. So this is for mobile, Facebook mobile. If you want to use this, then I highly suggest that you try this. FB ads banner for your Facebook there, and then roll up banner, YouTube banner for your YouTube channel, and then email banner, Twitter there. It's now loaded up. Sale, bar flyer, YouTube cover, holiday, party, brand, wedding, small businesses, sports, environment, birthday, food, and so on. There's really a lot. You just have to go with the tabs. So summer, school, and then events. So it's really amazing. So you can also create a banner if you want to. If you want to design your own banner, then choose create banner and then select the ratio. So let's say you want the 16:19, or if you want to have a banner for your Facebook, then choose Facebook banner. Also Instagram and YouTube, so Twitter, Twitch, it's up to you. So let's say that this is for our Instagram, so let's choose the 1080 by 1080. Let's try this one there. So you have the option to put a background in here by tapping the background there. So you can customize it, you can add art. So some of the art needs to be downloaded first, like this one. Let's say we want to download this. So now it's being downloaded. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, and then there. So you can drag it, you can drag and drop this anywhere you like. You can change the color opacity, the 3D, and so on. So text, you can also add text like your company name. So I'm just going to put in some random text, so I'll just hide there, and then tap the check mark at the top, drag and drop it, drag and drop it to where you want to put it. So let me just put it in here, and then apply the effects. So there's an effects that you can apply, image that you can also add. It's up to you. So let's go back to the text. For the text, you can customize the font by selecting the text first and then change the fonts. Colors as well, you can change the color. You can add shadows and background, 3D, and so on. So this is not actually a great idea to create your own banner. If this is your first time creating a banner, then I recommend using the predefined templates, where you just have to change the text or the logo. So this is not actually so if you're already good in creating a banner, then you can create a banner. But if you're a beginner, then you just have to use the predefined template, which can be found in here. So templates, and use any of these. So let's say that you have a business that you want to promote on your Facebook. So Facebook mobile, and then select the available templates. So let's say that it's about food, so just have to choose this or this one. Okay, so this is the banner food. You just have to tap the text and change it. So edit, tap the edit, and then input your text. So let's go ahead and enter, let's say that my company, and then done. So there, my company, and then the food. You can edit the food. So let's say that this is actually best spicy food, or best food. Done. And the lorem ipsum, you can also edit that. And then let's say this is a very delicious. Done. There. So if you want to customize this, you can actually do a lot. So background, you have the option to change the texture there. The image, so image, you can change the image for your company. You can also apply gradient, color, change the color. And then art, this is the art where you can add this to your banner. So again, for the art, there's a lot in here: star, animal, artist, automotive, and then butterfly, camera, car. So there's really a lot. So some of the files needs to be loaded first. So as you can see, it's going to take for a while depending on your internet speed. And then effects, this is the effects there. You can choose any of the effects in here. You just have to scroll it like this, and then select one if you want to, and then the image. So that's actually easy to use. So this is really good for businesses, small or medium businesses. You can edit the banners. So let's say that we're good with this, we're done with the editing, and we want to save this now and post it to our Facebook. Then you just have to tap this one here, the save icon, and you have the option to save it as .png or save the design. So let's save the design first there, so that it will be saved, and then let's also save it as PNG there. So it's now saved to our pictures. All right, so after that, you will see this. You have the option to rate the app. If you like it, then just tap the excellent. And if you want to go back to the homepage, just tap the homepage. And we're back here. So my design is where you can see all of your work. So we have now created one banner. We have one design and my banner as well. And if you go in here, you will only see this. So banner maker, more apps from the developer, so on. And if you go to settings, you can enable the always portrait if you don't want the landscape, so enable it. And if you go to templates again, create a template, then it will be in portrait. So let's say that's mega sale. Let's try this one. So there, as you can see, it's now in landscape. I'm sorry, portrait. So background there, you can add you can customize it by adding more text, more art, more effects, image, background, and so on. And then once you're done with the editing, then just tap the save icon at the top and then save it as PNG, and there you have it. It's now saved to our pictures. So that's how easy it is to use this application. I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to promote their products, their businesses, their companies, even their YouTube channel. If you want to promote it, then you can use the banner ads in here, the predefined templates where you can use it right away. So there's really a lot, you just have to look for it. So email banner, Twitter banner, it's up to you. So you just have to select any of these according to your needs. So YouTube cover, party, if you're having a coming party, then try using the party. Wedding, if there's someone in your family to get marriage, then try the wedding template. And then small business, for small business, sports event, if there's a sports event in your school, then use this one. Environment, birthday, for your loved ones, you can use this template. Your cover for your Facebook, festival, summer, school, there. For your children's graduation, you can use one of the templates in here. Events, travel, freestyle, there, and so on. So before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that this is really easy to use application. You just have to select a banner templates and edit the background, the text, sticker, the font. And once done, save on the SD card or share it to your social media. So that's really easy to use. You don't have to do the manual editing. You can also do the manual editing if you're really good at it, or you can use the predefined templates that you can see in here. So it's really up to you. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today for this amazing banner. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.